Are you looking for a new construction 4-brick home, a 5-bedroom or a 4-bedroom option for basement in Dacula, Georgia? Well, stay tuned because today I'm going to take you to a new master plan community in Dacula, Georgia, built by DRB Homes. This is a beautiful new community, more than 100 homes with resort-style amenities. They're going to have a beautiful pool, a cabana, walking trails, playground, gorgeous new master plan community by DRB Homes right here in Dacula, Georgia. This beautiful community will belong to Gwinnett County Public Schools. This community, Adagio by DRB Homes, that I'm going to present today, and I'm going to show you 2 floor plans. This community will belong to Archer High School, which is 7 out of 10, and McConnell Middle School, which is 8 out of 10. These are public schools in Gwinnett County, right here in North Atlanta, Georgia. As I said in today's video, Adagio new master plan community by DRB Homes. I'm going to show you lot 30, which is in special from $607,000, right now available at $580,000. Now lot 30 is not ready yet, but I'm going to show you 2 or 3 minutes inside. This is a 5-bedroom, 3 bedrooms, almost 3,200 square feet, 3-car garage built in 2025 by DRB Homes, and is available for a fast move-in with special incentives by the builder. You will get $20,000 from the seller and 2% to buy down the rate from the lender. Of course, you have to qualify with DRB preferred lender to take advantage of the special incentives. Now, also in today's video, I'm going to show you lot 85, which is actually a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, almost 3,900 square feet, beautiful new construction by DRB Homes. This is actually in special from $615,000, right now available for a limited time at $595,000. This is the biggest floor plan that DRB Homes offers right here in Adagio in Dacula, Georgia. 3,900 square feet with a 3-car garage, beautiful backyard, open floor plan, gorgeous new construction by DRB. Now, Adagio here in Dacula, Georgia offers 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 5 bathrooms, 3,100 square feet up to 4,000 square feet, beautiful new construction homes in Dacula, Georgia with resort-style amenities. As I said, lot 30 and lot 85. Now let's go and check it out.
When I'm floating in your high, you feel me all over with your eyes, playing the sheets all night, and in the morning I'm not through with you, not through with you.
Now, right here is lot 85 in Adagio. This beautiful floor plan is the biggest floor plan that DRB has to offer here in Adagio. A 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 3,855 square feet, gorgeous new construction by DRB here in Dacula, Georgia. Now, this home is in special, as I said, from $615,000. Right now, this home, you can get it. We can write a contract tomorrow if you want to at $595,000. Plus, you're going to get $20,000 from the seller, which is practically the builder, and 2% from the lender to buy down the rate for a 4.99 interest rate or a 5.99 interest rate. For that, you will have to call me. I will bring you here to the listing agents, Mr. Lavar and Miss Melody with DRB Homes, and we're gonna sit down, we're gonna check to see if you qualify. Of course, you will have to have a very good credit score. Look how beautiful this home is. In today's video, as I said, I'm going to show you a little bit inside. This is not ready yet, but I will show you 2 to 3 minutes. Of course, it has a huge master bedroom upstairs, a beautiful open floor plan, a covered patio, gorgeous new construction by DRB Home. Now, keep in mind, give me a call so I can bring you here, so I can show you this property. And if you don't like the position of this beautiful home right here, don't worry. DRB has 4 to 6 homes available, different location in the neighborhood, of course. For that, please make sure you contact us, like and subscribe. Now let's go and check it out.
When I'm floating in your high, you feel me all over with your eyes, playing the sheets all night. And in the morning, I'm not through with you, not through with you.
What a beautiful home. Not ready yet. As you see, they still have a little bit of work to do inside. Right now, the guys were actually installing the carpet upstairs, so I cannot show you the upstairs. But this beautiful home is available in the next 2 to 4 weeks. Now, make sure you contact me so I can bring you here to Mr. Lavar and Miss Melody, the listing agents with DRB Home, and show you this property in person. And also keep in mind, they have another 4 to 6 homes available for a fast move-in. Of course, different floor plans from DRB Homes right here in Adagio in Dacula, Georgia. According to niche.com, Dacula is number 10 in best places to raise a family in Gwinnett County, and 81% actually own their home while only 19% rent. Population of Dacula, over 7,000 people live in this beautiful city, and as I said, keep in mind our builders are building a lot of new master plan communities here in the north part of Atlanta. This area is going to become such a gorgeous area with new master plan community with resort style amenities in Gwinnett County Public Schools. Now, also according to niche.com, Dacula is number 24 most diverse suburbs in Georgia and number 29 most diverse places to live in Georgia. Also according to niche.com, Dacula, Georgia is number 36 suburbs with the best public schools in the state of Georgia. We hope this video was helpful for those of you that are looking for a new construction and you want to be in Dacula, Georgia in Gwinnett County Public Schools. Keep in mind, Adagio here by DRB Homes has a lot of beautiful homes available for you and your family. Right now I showed you lot 30 and lot 85, which will be available from now on with special incentives. And I said if you want to find out more, make sure you contact me, make sure you like and subscribe, and contact me so I can bring you here to Miss Lavar and Miss Melody, which are the listing agents with DRB Homes, and we can tell you everything about the incentives, how you can use the $20,000 on top of the price drop, how you can use the 2% from the lender, and of course you will have to qualify for that. Now keep in mind, these two homes are available, so make sure you contact me today. And also, if these two are not the one for you and you want something bigger or something smaller, Adagio here by DRB Homes has a lot of homes available in the next 2 to 3 weeks. 4 to 6 different floor plans, different location in the neighborhood for you and your family. Now comment below and let me know, is lot 30 or lot 85 better for you and your family? This is Livia Bica with Keller Williams North Atlanta. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.